This cable is used to control the pen holder. This one is used to control the laser head. This blue trachea is used to blow air into the laser head. When using the laser head module, you need to connect the laser cable to this air pump cable. When switching the pen holder module, we need to turn off the machine first. Then unplug the cable and trachea of the laser head. Press the black ring and remove the trachea. On the back of the laser head module, there is a fixed screw. We unscrew it by hand. Save this screw. Then pull the laser head module up to remove it. Remove the two screws used to hold the mounting seat. Save the screws. These two screws are used to fix the laser head module. These two screws are used to fix the pen holder. These two screws are required when installing the pen holder. Now start installing the pen holder module. Plug the motor cable of the pen holder into the motor. Confirm that it is plugged in. Fix the cable and trachea of the laser head. Now the replacement is completed.